Now we are going to study tropospheric pollution. After completing tropospheric pollution, then we will go for stratospheric pollution. So let's go for tropospheric pollution. Earth, this is our troposphere. Troposphere is polluted either by particulate pollutants or it is getting polluted by gaseous pollutants. So particulate pollutants are dust, mist, fumes, smoke and smog. We are going to study how they are going to affect our troposphere in detail. The next type of pollutants are gaseous air pollutants, which affect the atmosphere. They contain oxides of sulphur, oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, ozone and other oxidants. So these particulate pollutants and gaseous air pollutants are going to affect the tropospheric level of the earth. Particulate pollutants, dust, mist, fumes, smoke and smog. Gaseous air pollutants are sulphur oxides, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, ozone and other oxidants. So let's start with gaseous air pollutants. First we are going to study oxides of sulphur. We all know that what is oxide of sulphur? It is going to be SO2, sulphur dioxide. So first we will see how it is created. See, gaseous air pollutants, particulate air pollutants, these are the cause of pollution occurring in tropospheric level. Now we will see that how these pollutants are generated by us only. So yes, you can see in the picture various industries, automobiles we are using, they all are going to evolve these toxic gases, that is oxides of sulphur, oxides of nitrogen. So oxides of sulphur, obviously they are generated by us only through various industries and automobiles. Sulphur containing fossil fuels are burnt, and when such fossil fuels are burnt, they are going to generate oxide of sulphur, that is SO2. This SO2 is going to cause these type of reactions in our atmosphere. We can see here sulphur dioxide is going to react with oxygen. Oxygen is available all over the atmosphere, and that oxygen is going to react with this sulphur dioxide. What it will do? It will get converted into SO3, that is sulphur trioxide. So what we can see here, this SO2, the oxidation state of sulphur is +4. When it is getting converted into SO3, we can see that its oxidation state is +6. So we can say that this sulphur dioxide generated by burning of fossil fuels, this sulphur dioxide is reducing in nature. This sulphur dioxide is reducing in nature. Its reducing nature, how it is going to affect us, that we will see in the later slides. Sulphur dioxide also react with ozone present in the atmosphere, and again it forms sulphur trioxide. SO2 can also react with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 to form H2SO4. Again we will see the effects of sulphur dioxide, what it does to us. Yes, we can see the eyes, it causes irritation to the eyes, redness of the eyes, tears will start coming out from the eyes. That is the effect of sulphur dioxide. When we are traveling, we are on the bike, we are walking, lot of sulphur dioxide is present in the atmosphere, and that is going to cause us such type of problems. Next, yes, the most important part of the human body, our lungs, affected by the sulphur dioxide. So when we are walking on the road, when we are on the bike, when we are traveling, that sulphur dioxide is going into our lungs, and it is going to cause various problems to the lungs like asthma, bronchitis, emphysema. Ozone and other oxidants are also responsible for that. Yes, this is about the plants. Sulphur dioxide, what it is going to do? The flower buds are going to become stiff, and it is going to hamper their reproductive cycle. And if plants are going to get hampered because of the SO2, obviously the food that they are going to give us by photosynthesis will not be enough for all of us. So these are the effects of sulphur dioxide. Okay, so after completing the production of sulfur dioxide and its effects on the human health and plant life, we are going to study the next pollutant, that is oxide of nitrogen. So let's go for oxides of nitrogen. We can see nitrogen, dinitrogen and dioxygen are present in the atmosphere in bulk amount. Generally they are not going to react with each other, but when there will be colliding of clouds and a lot of energy, lightning is generated by the striking of these clouds, so lot of energy will be generated, and by using that heat, that temperature, that amount of energy, nitrogen and oxygen are going to react one another and they are going to form oxides of nitrogen, that is NO2, nitrogen dioxide, and NO, nitric oxide, and both these gases are highly responsible for lot of adverse effects on the human health and the plant life. So yes, these reactions we can see nitrogen and oxygen at high temperature, they are going to form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is going to react with atmospheric oxygen and it will give us the nitrogen dioxide. This nitric oxide can react with ozone and can form nitrogen dioxide again. So this is how the nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide is produced in the atmosphere. Now let's see the effects of oxides of nitrogen. Yes, you can see there is a red haze in the picture. This red haze is generated by oxides of nitrogen. This red haze is irritant. It creates a lot of congestion in the crowded areas and it can cause lot of adverse effect on the human health when we get exposed to such a red haze. Again, it has adverse effects on lungs. Lung irritation can be there. This we can see harmful to fabric and textile fibers also. So these are the effects of oxides of nitrogen. It is going to affect on the plant life also. It damages the leaves of plants and retard the photosynthesis process.